day everyone. Today I'll be discussing two important topics in biochemistry that we need to understand as nursing students. The ester bond in the urea cycle. An ester bond is formed when an alcohol reacts with a carboxylic acid, releasing water. This type of reaction is called condensation or dehydration synthesis. In our body, ester bonds are very important because they connect glycerol and fatty acids to form triglycerides. Triglycerides are basically fats and they serve as our main energy storage. When someone doesn't eat for hours or during fasting, the body uses these stored fats for energy, and it is ester bonds that hold them together. As future nurses, understanding ester bonds is helpful in cases like malnutrition, obesity, and parenteral nutrition. It helps us understand how the body stores and uses fat for energy. Now let's move on to the urea cycle. This process happens in the liver and its main job is to remove nitrogen waste from the body. When proteins are broken down, they release ammonia, which is very toxic. The urea cycle converts ammonia into urea, which is then removed by the kidneys through urine. In simple terms, here are the steps. Ammonia combines with carbon dioxide to make carbamyl phosphate. This joins with ornithine to form citrulline. Citrulline combines with aspartate to form arginosaxonate that breaks into arginine and fumarate. Finally, arginine splits to release urea and regenerates ornithine, so the cycle continues. Urea cycle is very important in nursing because if the urea cycle doesn't work, ammonia builds up in the blood. This condition called hyperammonemia can cause confusion, vomiting, and even coma. We usually see this in patients with liver disease like cirrhosis or hepatitis. That is why nurses should understand how the urea cycle works. To summarize, ester bonds are important in forming fats and storing energy, while the urea cycle is essential for removing toxic ammonia. Both processes help maintain balance in our body's metabolism. As future nurses, understanding this will help us provide better patient care. And that's all. Thank you for listening.